Yes, good morning all of you. Am I audible clearly?
Morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning to all. Very good morning. I'm just going to share the screen right now. We'll start with the activity, and in fact, I congratulate almost all of you for joining that event as a team member. This is really going to help you out in long run, from your career point of view, from getting exposure of how to organize a professional event. Right? You will be interacting with lot many people also, because this will give you an opportunity to interact with the students of other colleges across India, not only in Nagpur. I'm going to share the link also, which in turn you can share it among your, you can put it on Facebook, you can personally share to your friends from other colleges, right? Can you see the link? Is my screen visible clearly?
Yes, sir.
This is the link I have shared, right, with all of you on our this particular Google Meet. I am again going to share it. Before we start with our today's topic, ERP, all what you have to do is, I'll just explain you what this form is all about. This is a registration form. Here we are not charging any fees. Once they are shortlisted, we will decide. It's not going to be a huge amount, 50 rupees or 100 rupees, just to create a seriousness amongst the participant, right? वो अपन डिसाइड करेंगे कि 50 रुपए रखना है या 100 रखना है, 3 लोग पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं तो 150 रखना है कि 100 ही रखना है. That can be decided later on, okay? But for time being, I'll just explain. Let other students join. They are still joining, okay? Just a moment. Yes. Let me again share the screen. I'll just, in brief, I'll explain. It's not a difficult form. It is very easy. The student, once you circulate this particular link, the student will directly go to this Google form. This is called as Google form. I hope all of you are aware about it. First thing they will do is they will subscribe to this channel, so that whatever updates are there, few videos also we are going to make, which they will get a notification directly. And this is what the team or an individual member is supposed to do. The team needs to register and submit their idea as below. It can be a business idea, it can be a new proposal. I'll come to that. These are the points which we need: their team profile and everything. If it's a team, if it's an individual, they can, he or she can share the CV, right? Maximum participants are 3 in number. Registration and submission will be from, it started yesterday only, but I got a formal permission today, right? So we can start submitting, sharing it till 20th. We need as much registration as possible. And I want few of you to come to college also individually. You can come individual, don't come in group, that is not allowed. Or we can have a separate meeting. Tomorrow I'll share the meeting link. First of all, let us have that meeting, and after that we'll be allotting certain work, right? छोटा छोटा काम रहेगा, ज़्यादा इसमें if we distribute the work, then it will be very easy for all of us. And you take it as an assignment which will give you scope for communication. आपको कम्युनिकेशन इंप्रूव करना है तो दिस इज अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी, राइट? डोंट जॉइन एनी क्लासेस. दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव टोल्ड यू अर्लियर आल्सो, कि कोई इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग क्लास ज्वाइन करने की जरूरत नहीं. ये एक्टिविटीज में आप पार्टिसिपेट करोगे इस टाइप के, तो ऑटोमेटिकली योर इंग्लिश विल इंप्रूव, योर कम्युनिकेशन विल इंप्रूव, नॉट ओनली इंग्लिश, अदर लैंग्वेजेस एज वेल. तो जैसे यहाँ पे उनको डालना है नाम, द फर्स्ट पार्टिसिपेंट हु इज गोइंग टू बी द लीडर बाय डिफॉल्ट, राइट? second and third, only 3 are allowed. Then their email, the organization name, they can put the organization name and address here of all the 3, right? If it is same, they can mention that, right? Their type of participation, that is your type of participation, it can be college. See, we can target school students also, working professional, others, right? And see, these are the category in which they can participate. They are supposed to present a success case story of a startup. Any startup which is highly successful, they can present that. A failure case study of a startup, reason for failure. This they are supposed to take up as a case study, right? It will be linked to only one case study, right? New proposal, if somebody is having an idea of a new startup, they can propose it. Problem identification and solution for existing startup. जैसे कोई जैसा ओला फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव गिवन दिस एग्जाम्पल प्लेंटी ऑफ टाइम, लाइक नॉट ओनली ओला बट कैब इंडस्ट्री. व्हाट आर द प्रॉब्लम्स एज अ कस्टमर आई एम फेसिंग एंड व्हाट कैन बी सोल्यूशन. दिस कैन ऑल्सो बी प्रपोज्ड with a specific industry. For example, hotel industry, service of apartment, OYO hotels and all. And so if somebody want to just be audience, they can join as an audience also, but they have to register. Okay, and here they'll submit the idea in a PPT format along with the doc format, which is what doc format will be giving the detail of all this thing, right? All the 9 points which I have mentioned. They have to prepare it short only, so that it gives us room to shortlist. If we have surplus of registration, then we have to shortlist. We cannot give chance to each and everybody, and they'll submit this form, which will be registered, which will get them registered, and we can scrutinize all those participants. Okay, is any doubt in this? Any doubt, any query? समझ में आ गया फॉर्म सबको? All of you followed the form? Yes, am I audible to all of you?
Yes sir.
Okay. Have you followed the form?
Yes sir.
फॉर्म ध्यान में आ गया, क्योंकि आपको समझा के बताना पड़ेगा.
Yes sir.
If somebody has a doubt, then you have to clear that doubt. Okay. फॉर्म अच्छी तरह समझ लो आप लोग. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क मी राइट नाउ कि सर ऐसी क्वेरी आई तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, राइट? सो दिस इज वन. इवन यू पीपल कैन पार्टिसिपेट, यू कैन रजिस्टर सो दैट यू विल गेट अ सर्टिफिकेट. एक सर्टिफिकेट हो जाएगा, एज अ ऑडियंस तो भी मिल जाएगा आपको एक, राइट? और बट आई वुड एनकरेज यू टू पार्टिसिपेट एज अ पार्टिसिपेंट, नॉट एज अ ऑडियंस. अपन तो ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमिटी मेंबर है. Those of you who have given the name will obviously be getting that certificate of a team member. As a team member you will get a certificate. Organizing committee member, वो एक certificate, that certificate will come handy to you and you can mention it in your CV, biodata, right? So I again congratulate for all those who have given their name as a volunteer. Yes, Payal, you want to say something? Put on your video. Yes, Payal.
सिर्फ टीम पार्टिसिपेंट ऐड कर रहे हैं.
नहीं, 3 जरूरी नहीं है. सी दोज आर नॉट मैंडेटरी. एक तो लगेगा अपने को.
सर बात टीम पार्टिसिपेंट्स ऐड.
No, 3 is not. 3 is the maximum limit which we are going to allow as a team. Even an individual can participate. As an audience you will be individual, right? तो 2 participant आपको नहीं भरने. फिर आप you just fill the name of your name. That's all. If you are an individual, 3 जरूरी नहीं है. Are you getting me?
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Yes,
any similar doubt like Payal has raised? Anybody is having another doubt?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Put on your video. Who is this? Pragati.
Sir, I'm having doubt like yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, like मेरा कुछ, and I'm not thinking to do any startup. So can I do the case study on another startup who is succeed or who is failure?
Yes, that is what I want. See, it need not be a new startup. It can be a startup which is successful. You can put a case study. इसके मैं videos भी दिखाऊंगा. ये channel है ना, अगर आप देखते हो, I'll just share you the channel link. There are plenty of videos. Think School करके channel है. I'll just share the link, right? You can just go through this. That person has prepared a wonderful presentation and there are plenty of case studies. ये चैनल मैं काफी ज्यादा देखता हूँ इसमें, क्योंकि इसमें बहुत सारी केस स्टडीज है. कैन यू सी द लिंक? थिंक स्कूल. तो ये चैनल आप देखोगे तो उसमें यू विल गेट एन आइडिया व्हाट एग्जैक्टली आई वांट, राइट? Case study like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and see, I am sharing the link of our channel also, where we will be posting most of the thing. I hope all of you have subscribed to it. See, all of you are supposed to subscribe. Yes, second link is regarding the channel. You are supposed to subscribe because this is again one of the activity where you have to enroll. Okay, I hope all of you have subscribed to this. Most of you have subscribed. Those who are left back, just click on that and click the subscription button. That is all I want. And same thing you are supposed to ask to the other participant. जो आपका नेटवर्क है ना, जहाँ पहचान है, like जैसे मैंने Facebook बोला, Twitter बोला, you can put this link, registration link everywhere. On WhatsApp you can send it to other groups, right? And motivate them. See, इसमें करना कुछ नहीं है. You have to prepare a PPT presentation and you have to present it. That's all. And you have to pick up any case study. Yes, Sachin, you got it? Okay, fine. Any further question on this before we start with our session? Anybody is having any query? See, you have to open up.
No, sir.
No, okay, fine. Everything's clear?
No, sir.
Yeah, okay. So just make it a point that you market it, you circulate it.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, Sachin. And in case you have doubt, you can WhatsApp me. My number is there with you. It's there on the WhatsApp group, right? You can directly WhatsApp me your doubts, your problem. और आज से इसके मार्केटिंग पे लग जाइए आप, बिकॉज वी वांट दिस एक्टिविटी टू बी अ ग्रेट सक्सेस. और स्पॉन्सरशिप कुछ मिल जाती है, आई नीड दैट हेल्प आल्सो. आई विल बी टेलिंग यू इन दैट सेपरेट मीटिंग. अगर स्पॉन्सरशिप मिल जाती है अच्छी, तो वी कैन इंक्रीज द प्राइस अमाउंट. लास्ट ईयर आई टुक इट टू 11,000 फॉर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग. 11,000 first, then second was I think 7,000, then 5,000 and 1,000. Likewise we had more than 7 prizes, not only 5, right? So it depends on sponsorship. Otherwise winning is the issue. The prize amount or prize money should not be the issue. क्योंकि आपको 100 रुपया भी मिला या 1000 भी मिला, तो if you are a winner, then that satisfaction or that achievement does matter. Apart from the money part, money ठीक है कि important है. आप बोलोगे सर मनी कैसा important नहीं है. It is definitely important, but achievement, if you win the first prize, then that's going to be achievement. Money, nobody will ask you कि कितना पैसा मिला आपको. Nobody will ask you. You can always mention in your CV that I was the first, I was the second runner-up, I was the third, whatever it is, right? So if you have any doubt, just let me know about it. Okay, so let us directly go to, we'll have a small recap what we did in our last session. Can you remember the keywords? What was the keywords we have used last time? Anybody who have attended the class? Most of you were there, I expect. What were the keywords? We started with the introduction of MIS and what were the keywords? Keywords ध्यान में आपको, keywords means important points. जैसे आप Google पे सर्च करते हो, it becomes a keyword. If you are searching for what? Apples, for example, or if you are searching for mobile phone, it becomes a keyword.
Yes, sir.
Right? So Sakshi, what was the keywords I have used last time? In fact, you people have
Yes,
also
sir.
used few. What were those?
Data,
Exactly,
data, information, knowledge and wisdom.
Exactly, good, wonderful, excellent. Okay. And any more keywords? MIS, Management Information System, right? Data, you are rightly gauged the keywords. Data converted into information, information converted into knowledge, and knowledge, by gaining plenty of knowledge, you get what? You get wisdom. You become an expert, right? You become a knowledgeable person where you can give advice. Not only take decision, but you can give advice also. कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं, ऐसा ये, this is right, this is wrong, right? Like a teacher give advice to you कि no, go for this specialization, this will suit you better than this specialization, go for this two, combination of two. So that the teacher is having wisdom because of the experience he is having over a period of time. He has gone through so many things, so he do have data, he have got the information, then the information he is converted into knowledge, he is knowledgeable, that's why he is talking with you. And because of this knowledge, he do have a wisdom where he can advise other, he can take decision for himself, at the same time he can advise other to take decision. And decision, I mean to say good decision, right? Effective and efficient decision. So we have another keyword we have used, resources, if somebody can recall, because that word has a linkage to today's session. Resources, have we discussed about it? And what were the keywords? Yes, anybody? See, quickly, फटाफट आंसर आने चाहिए. That is what I want. That is what is called as communication. It has to be two-way communication, not that मैं बात करते जा रहा हूँ और आप सुनते जा रहे हो. You have to somewhere down the line stop me and ask few things. कि सर ये समझ में नहीं आया मुझे, या can you please explain it again, right? Or you can add also. It's not only asking question. You can add few examples. मैं बहुत बार बीच में पूछता हूँ कि do you have any examples on this particular topic or particular theme, right? So resources, we have discussed about resources also, if you can remember. It was when 2 days back. I think it was on last Thursday, I think, right? Our lecture that took place. So resources क्या discuss किया था आपने? Resource we had a talk on resources. Anybody? चलिए, I'll make the question simple. What are the different resources? This is what we have talked. We have discussed.
Resources में man,
Yes.
money, material.
Okay, right. Man, money,
Resources में हमने
material, machine, right? Machine,
material,
methods, all this M. These are all resources. And making it further simple, resources क्या हो गए? Finance, right? Human resource, जो आपके specialization है. Marketing can be, if you are good in marketing, if you have that talent, then that becomes your resource. If you are having plenty of money, that becomes your resource. If you are having a land, machines, M जो अगर अपन M के बारे में बात करते हैं, man includes manpower. It includes all the talents, all the class 4 employees, like workers and everybody. It includes everybody, right? It includes your vendors, suppliers also, right? Man, money is what? Finance, funds, right? Then what? Material means the inventory which you are holding. It is again very important, right? Then what? Method is what? Processes. आपकी टेक्नोलॉजी कैसी है? जैसे मैंने एग्जांपल दिया था Amazon का 1 day delivery, 2 day deliveries. If they are committed, we should be able to recall and remember, right? So before I proceed further, let me take you to the one of internet connectivity, right? Raman, am I audible to you? Sweta? वैभव?
सर कभी कभी लैग होता है, नहीं तो कभी कभी बहुत अच्छे से आवाज आ रही है.
अच्छा, नहीं, बहुत बार क्या होता है, the issue can be at my end also, but it may happen that the issue is at your end. So my advice is try to change your location. The way I have changed, I try to change my location a bit. But you can, जैसे एक रूम में बैठे हो, बहुत बार कोई रूम में नहीं आती है, कनेक्टिविटी प्रॉपर नहीं आती है. You can change your location. That is what you can try. And once you get a good connectivity, then you can fix up that location permanently. जैसे मेरे फ्लैट में होता है, in my hall, I don't. Yes, Archana, you have to say something. So anyway, fine. I'm going to share. Now I am audible. See, let me directly take you to today's topic. This is one of the website I found this to be very good.
No, sir.
What?
Not clear, sir.
Not clear? Just a moment. I'll try to change my location further. Okay? Just a moment. Yes, now is it audible clearly? Hello? Is it audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See,
Yes, sir.
This is the issue.
Yes,
right?
sir.
If you change your location, then probably
Yes, sir.
you get a good connected. What I've
Yes,
done.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Thank you.
Yes,
thank
sir.
you. What I did, I just changed the. I rotated myself. I would say I was sitting facing east. Now I'm sitting
Yes,
facing
sir.
north. Okay, fine. So can you see the website? I'm sharing this website. Right? It's a wonderful website. This is one. Then we have Investopedia. This is also a good website. And before I talk on this, enterprise resource planning. Can somebody explain me what is an enterprise? What is resource? Just now we have discussed, and what is planning. That is nothing but ERP. We'll be going into detail. What is ERP? What are the benefits? What are the examples? Bottom line, frequently asked question. All this thing we'll be discussing. Enterprise. What do you mean by enterprise? Anybody? Yes, anybody? What is enterprise? Enterprise resource planning. there are three words, and I want, if you properly follow all the three words, then 90% of our problem is done. You can follow the remaining topic easily. What is enterprise? Pragati?
Sir, enterprise is something new business or new project to launch a new business or to start a new business or to
No, not only starting, it can be a established business also. See, and let me put it very in simple words. Enterprise is nothing but an organization, right? A group of people working together towards a common goal. It can be anything. It can be like quoting an example. It can be a gangster also. A group of people who are working for common goal. What? A common goal can be looting other people. That is a rubbish example. But there are good examples like Tata's, right? They are a group of people who are working for a common goal. If you are talking about Tata Motors, they are thinking of designing and manufacturing vehicle which are environmental friendly, which are economical in nature, not very much costly. They are serving to elite class also. They do have Land Rover, and then all good brands also they have under their cap. But they have Nano also at the same time, right? So enterprise is nothing but an organization. It can be any, it can be NGO also. I've given you the example of criminal, but don't quote that example in the exam. You have to quote good examples, right? Just for you to remember, I have quoted that example. It can be NGO, for example, NGO who's taking care of orphanage children. We have a program for these children a few years back. Orphanage. All of you know who are orphans? Anybody? Just out of it, nothing to do with our subject. Who are orphans?
Yes, sir. Who don't have parents.
Exactly. Who don't have both of the parents, right? Mother, father, both, right?
who don't have parents.
Okay. And NGO is what? Non-government organizations. Or NGO is also enterprise, because it's a group of people who are working for a common goal. Is it clear? Enterprise. Resources. All of you know resources. All M जो अपन discuss किया, manpower, man, money, material, method, right? Then even machines, all those things are your resources.
Material, machine methods.
Exactly, right? So these are all your resources, and planning for it. ERP is nothing but an organization managing their resources. It can be a financial organization like bank who are concerned with money only, but they do have human resource there. And that is the planning being done to manage all these resources in an effective and efficient manner. You have to always, ये दो शब्द हर जगह लगा सकते हैं management में, because management has to be effective and efficient. Effective and efficient. It includes everything, right? Remember these two words. This can be used most of the time and most of the places also, right? So management is all managing effectively and efficiently. Simple words, not very complicated. Right? So let me take you to the website, and this is one, and this is also I found good. So before we proceed, we have just seen the bookish, not a layman's definition, right? Other definitions are there. I'm going to play a small video for all of you, right? Just take a close look at it.
Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, is a management software that integrates a business's essential departments. Think of ERP as the...
Is the video audible to all of you? Is the video audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Let us see the video.
Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, is a management software that integrates a business's essential departments. Think of ERP as the glue that binds different computer systems within a large organization. Any large corporation has several essential departments, including planning, purchasing, sales, marketing, finance, human resources, and more. ERP software enables each department to share information and processes with others throughout the entire organization. Each can access the same data at one central location, which greatly simplifies business processes. For example, a large company's purchasing and accounting departments can find the same information they need.
Just a moment. I think there is a problem with net. We'll wait for a few seconds. Net is running properly. Okay. Let us try to.
Software enables each department to share information and processes with others throughout the entire organization. Each can access the same data at one central location, which greatly simplifies business processes. For example, a large company's purchasing and accounting departments can find the same information they need to make sure their efforts and
Yeah, I think there's a problem with the issue of the this video. Let me play you another video for that matter.
ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Companies have relied on it since the 90s to streamline processes and improve data visibility.
Is this visible?
So, what is ERP? And how can it help your business? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Companies have relied on it since the 90s to streamline processes and improve data visibility around finance, project management, and manufacturing. However, the cost of ownership began to climb significantly, and on-premise ERP couldn't keep up with modern security demands or technology trends. So, ERP evolved to embrace the internet with new features and functionality. Enter ERP Cloud. The cloud offers a more affordable alternative for ERP because it eliminates the need for software and hardware or additional IT staff. ERP Cloud enables organizations of all sizes and across all industries to make significant cost savings, improve business insight, enhance collaboration, and increase efficiency. Oracle ERP Cloud is built for the digital age, delivering on the promise of the end-to-end process, visibility, and speed, all at a lower cost.
Yeah, this was all about the Oracle ERP software. There is one ERP software which is offered by one of the e-commerce organization. Do you know the example? It's being used by the US military as well. See, nowadays this is also being outsourced. The company find it comfortable to purchase a ERP cloud software rather than having their own hardware and software. Amazon is a good example. They have Amazon Web Services. It's the largest web service provider for many of the organizations, including US military, as I said. It's very authentic, it's very genuine, it is all foolproof, the data won't get leaked. That is the commitment Amazon is making, and it is under the banner of AWS, that is Amazon Web Services. That is ERP software which is cloud based. You don't have to hold any data in your server. The Amazon provide you it on the rent, right? It on lease. इतना data मुझे चाहिए, storage चाहिए, तो they'll quote price for that. It's a wonderful example. There are plenty of videos, such videos on YouTube channel. You can search for AWS, Amazon Web Services.
Sir?
Yes. Yes, Yupa. You want to say something?
सर बहुत लैगिंग हो रही है, बहुत लैग सर.
Okay, I do not know. There must be issue. What about the rest of you?
सर आप ये बिल्कुल क्लियर नहीं हो रहा है.
अभी आ रहा है. What about all of you are not following, or is it with some of you?
Yes sir,
Yes, sir, same problem,
Can't
sir.
hear you.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Stop
Same
sharing.
problem, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Sir, your voice is
I changed my place.
Yes, sir.
a bit late.
Okay, just a moment. It may be because of the bandwidth problem. If we share the video, I'll stop my video also. अभी बताइए. Now I'm clear, because many a time when we share our video, now am I audible? The another solution can be you have to close your video.
No, sir, not properly.
Abhi now have taken my laptop nearer to me.
No sir.
Not no also. Okay. I do not know what is the problem. Still lagging. Just a moment. Give me some time. I'll again try to rechange my position. Now is there an issue now? Hello, Raman.
Yes.
Am I audible clearly now? Can you hear me? Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Okay.
Sir, actually, sir,
Okay, now see this small issues
Yes,
may
sir.
crop up
Yes.
sometime. It may be It may be because of the low connectivity internet, but we have to get used to all this thing. Many time we are helpless. We cannot see the issue can be at both the ends, right? So I hope now I am clear, and all of you followed the video.
Again
Now
lagging.
your voice is lagging.
Okay, again lagging. I do not know. Maybe.
No, sir.
Okay, we'll do one thing. I'll stop for today.
So you can do one.
Yes.
So you just rejoin.
सर आप एक बार लीव करके फिर से ज्वाइन.
Okay. That is again one of the solution we can work on, right? Just a minute. In the meantime, I'm posting the attendance link. Try to,
That might solve the problem.
yeah, just a minute. I'm doing that. See, what I've done is I posted the attendance link. Try to fill it. By the time I'll leave and I'll again join. Okay. Just a minute. Yes. Now what I did is I'm doing it from mobile phone. Am I audible now? Okay. So there was an issue with, I think there was an issue with my laptop. I don't know, whatever it is. Net connectivity seems to be okay. So fine. Welcome back all of you. Just now I posted the attendance link. Try to solve it right now. Right? Whatever you follow. Attendance links मैंने डाली है अभी. अपने चैट बॉक्स में. Just go to the chat box. Message box. Okay, just a minute. Yeah. Hold on. I'll try to put it again. Okay. कौन सी? Okay. मैं दोबारा कोशिश करता हूँ. ठीक. I'll try it again. Okay. You be online. Be there, okay? Yes. Hello. I'm trying to share it again with all of you. Okay. Just take a look at the inbox in call messages. Can you see the attendance link?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Try to fill it here and here itself before we end the session, so that your attendance is marked.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Try to
Yes, sir.
solve the issues also. ERP basic questions लिए मैंने. I'll put the link of this particular website also, so that you can directly go through it and solve those MCQs if you are not followed. Next time, probably tomorrow again we'll have one session, one meeting, and I'll try to cover up the ERP also. Just we have started it because I do have another session at 12 o'clock. So I'll be winding up 5 minutes earlier today. But anyway, tomorrow we don't have session, but we'll try to have one session. So this is one link, and another link regarding our activity which you are supposed. See, I'm going to put it on the group also. Don't worry. I'm going to put it on our group. Just a minute. Both the links I'm going to put, and see, the attendance links is going to remain the same every time. You don't have to search for it. All of you getting me what I'm saying? Attendance link हर बार सेम रहने वाली है. तो आप पुरानी लिंक को लेके भी डाल सकते हैं, बट आपका अटेंडेंस उसी दिन रिकॉर्ड होना चाहिए. अदरवाइज यू विल बी नॉट मार्क्ड एज प्रेजेंट. within 5 minutes or once we end the lecture, immediately you are supposed to put in your attendance. You can check out our WhatsApp group also, MIS group. I have shared both the links there. If you can just go through the WhatsApp and see, attendance link throughout the session is going to remain same. Don't worry about it, right? You don't have to every time search for it. All of you getting me what I'm saying? Hello? All of you following me? Can you see the links?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's there on the WhatsApp also. It's there on the WhatsApp also. Okay, both the links for our event as well as for our attendance, today's attendance, right? आज का attendance आपको आज ही लगाना है. आप बोलोगे कि मैं शाम में लगाता हूँ, तो that won't be counted. I want it to be done immediately because it is not a lengthy form. Hardly 5 MCQs. You can mark anything which you feel is right, and what you can do is you have to submit it. That's all. एक आपको feedback देना है. It hardly takes 1 minute's time, not more than that. Okay. So this attendance will come as a record to me. I won't be taking a separate attendance every time. In fact, I do have this video recording where I can just cross check it out. कौन था, कौन नहीं था. That I can always do afterwards if I want to. जबकि मैं usually नहीं करता हूँ. I do not cross check it out. But see to it that if you have attended, then only you have to fill the form. Otherwise, it won't be counted. You have to be physically present, physically as well as mentally. Okay. So let me share the screen again with all of you. We have just seen the definition of ERP, right? So the website I have already shared. You just go through it, right? And ERP से फिर निकल के आता है manufacturing resource planning, then material resource planning, MRP, then human resource planning, HRP. These all subset of ERP. ERP includes managing all the resources. It's a software. ERP is a software which can integrate all the process needed to run a company. This is a key takeaway, right? ERP solutions have evolved over a year. आज जैसा ERP देख रहे हैं आप cloud based, पहले वैसा ERP नहीं था. And many are now typically web based. जो मैंने अभी example दिया था Amazon Web Services. They are all web based, cloud based भी बोलते हैं इसको अपन. And there are plenty of benefits. There are some benefits includes free flow of communication between business areas, a single source of information. See the yes. Hello. Chirag, you what I'm saying? All of you mark the attendance.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So we don't have session tomorrow, but somewhere in the afternoon we'll try to meet. I'll share you the timing and everything, the link, so that we can discuss about this activity and we can discuss about ERP further, right? Okay, fine. Thank you all of you for attending. Take care, and we shall meet again tomorrow, right? I'll share you the timing and everything. It should not clash with your regular lecture. Thank you all of you once again. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Take care. Fine.